Stacy is still scared. Find a storybook and calm her freaking filly ass down. Alright. How about this one? What is this? Chad Bolton. Seems appropriate. Let's go. It's time to read your non-octo daughter a bedtime story. Come on. Come on. Oh, move it. Raise one foot over the other. We've been through this. Come on. Come on. Yeah. That's not the right way. Is it? Where is Stacy's bedroom? Freaking screw the railings, I'm Octoman.
I know I'm your favorite.
Oh, okay. Get a replacement doll from the toy chest to replace the Octodoll. The blue dolphin should work. What about that little giraffe right there? It's perfect. And get this book out of my hands. What the crap? Look, this freaking little giraffe right here. There's a giraffe right here. It's perfectly fine. I bought you that giraffe. You never even freaking play with it. You're so ungrateful. But Daddy has to abide by the rules. Get this freaking lid out of here. Get this. All these toys you never played with. Get that bulldozer freaking crap out of here. Get that. What is that? What is this? What is... What is that? What is this I am looking at right now? Turn it around. Octopus? What are you reading, child? I have to hide this. I have to hide this and make sure she never reads it again. Okay, where is this freaking blue... Whoa. Where is this freaking blue dolphin? That's not... That's a blue block. Blue... I don't... Whatever. What kind of toys are these? Blue... Dolphin. Urgh. Blue dolphin. Right there. Okay, I gotta make sure she doesn't notice. Sneak. Gotta be careful about this, Octoman. Sneak. 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 Sneaky. Sneaky. Sneaky! Get the doll. Get the doll and freaking run. That's the wrong... Get the doll. There you go. Let's go. Oh, before she notices. Yeah. Quietly escape. As quietly, you freaking piece of crap. Quietly. Close the door. Shut it. Shut the door. Alright, come on. Fine. You can't shut the door. You're a freaking idiot, Octoman. Let's go. Hey, look. There's my suit, my banana, my Octodoll. Now I gotta build the mannequin. Gotta make it convincing. Alright. This has to be done carefully. Get this chair out of here. How dare you defy Cthulhu? Get out of here. Alright, banana. This... I can't even remember where the banana fits in here, but it goes on here somewhere. Go. No. Crap. Ah. Alright, I know the squid head goes on top. So, yeah, there you go. Get that banana back. Where are you, banana? Ba-da-ba-da. Banana-nana. Alright. There you go. Right on there, somewhere. Where is this banana? Banana, where do I put you, banana? Fine, you go on the last. Come on. Now the suit. You go on here. Nicely dressed. Alright. Banana goes on last, I think. There you go. He's munching on a banana. Mannequin complete. Well said, Octoman. I completely agree with you.
Octopus, if you are really human, then you pass this one test.
What one test?
Climb this ladder.
Are you kidding me right now? Freaking ladders. Of course, Octoman. What the crap? Did he set my freaking house on fire? What the crap is wrong with him? Let me live my Octo life in peace. Climb the ladder, OCTODAD. You can do it. Climb it. Ah. Climb it. Now push him off. Push him off. He looks like a freaking gorilla. Come on. Push him off. How dare you? Come into my house and light everything on fire, you douchebag. Oh god, he's got a cleaver. This is karma for me wanting to eat that sushi earlier. Oh, he smacked the mannequin, didn't he? Yeah, he did. Wah! Unicorn.
Get away from my dad. He's not.
Hey, the brat comes to the rescue.
What are you, an idiot? Dad's a regular human.
He's insane. Kill him, kids. Yeah, his head's stupid. Hit him with the fish. Hit him with the trains. I hate those trains. Yeah, the bulldozer too. Get out of here with your stupid 84-gallon hat. I'm with my family.
I get my revenge on all of you.
On all of you. Ninja Sushi Man! I can say the same thing, you know. Who's that? Ah,
Darling, you're wearing your fancy suit.
I still don't see the appeal.
Dressed up for me? This reminds me of the time that we met. Do you remember? Oh, I can picture.
Honey, I have a cleaver in my head.
I was stowed away on that fishing boat.
Oh, God. Oh, freaking bananas. You know what? Just land on one. Just do it. Come on. How bad can it be? You conquered. Oh, God. Wait, so she didn't notice that everything was burned down, or what? Whee! Alright. What is there, like, a giant hole in the ground for? Oh, I want to play some pool. Let's play some pool, Octoman. Come on, just set it off. Yeah, gently now. This is a gentleman's game. What happened to the ball? What happened? Okay, well, it wasn't my fault. The ball just up and left. It was ashamed after I scored every single hole. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna grab one of these. I was using this that night when the ball disappeared. And then I promptly left and turned around. And I don't need to be describing my every action because that just makes me seem more suspicious. Oh, my octopus brethren. How I have missed you. How have you been doing without me? Your father loves you. Now eat each other. For my entertainment. You don't want to eat, then you die with the rest of them. Well, that's this evening's entertainment. How about a nice book? A nice book. You get out of my sight. You have disgraced your sushi family. What is this? Oh, it's the Octa Cave. No, you go down. I think I need a key for this first. Go away, whatever. Mom things, no wife. I don't give a crap. Get out the way. This is my house. This is my house. I will trespass where I please. Now let's watch some freaking TV. I see My Little Pony is on. Oh, now it's Tasmanian football player. Move this thing out of the way. Oh, that's me. Back in the 80s when I was just a silly Cthulhu. Didn't know what I was doing with my life. What am I supposed to be doing here? I guess this is just my my hangout room here. Oh, there's that sushi man. Give me a nice suit. I want to put a suit on. Whatever, I don't feel like dressing up. I'm already dressed up. Look at me in my fancy suit and tie. Come on. Oh, I want to play darts. Come on. I am the best dart player there is. Come on. Right into the the bullseye. Come on. Cthulhu is bullseye. Okay, you know what? You are going to listen to your Cthulhu deity, and you are going to go in the... That's close enough. Alright. Oh, come on. You can make it past the pool table. I want to commit the murder, but no. You gotta be Mr. Goody 4-foot shoe thing. Let's play some tunes at least. Nothing good on the records anyway. Ah, freaking bananas. Get that crap out of here. Get these bananas out of my house! Alright, you know what? I have had it about up to here with you, OCTODAD.